to eat here at Café Parliament. The quiche looks good. Well, it sounds good. The spinach quiche. Maybe a combo, add a salad. I don't know what the different pricing it is, but and their pastries look good. I'm gonna grab Almond Croissant. Sure. How much is that for the salad? And yeah, but how much? Sure. And can you add a almond croissant? And I'll have a latte, coffee latte. Just the regular size. And just a bottled water. If you have. What kind of water do you have? Just that, yeah, the regular water. Sorry?
For your dressing of the salad, you want ranch or Italian?
Italian. Yes.
One quiche combo, one almond croissant, and one cafe latte.
And water, right? In the patio of Café Parliament. I have my spinach quiche and a garden salad for $15.99. I have my latte, bottled water, and we're gonna dig in. Started a live stream for Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. Wasn't planning on doing an early live stream, but here we are. Italian dressing. Let's see how this quiche is. Oh yeah, that's good. Spinach quiche. I love it. I love a quiche. It's comfort food for me. Safe. I haven't had luck finding restaurants in my travels. Goodbye. Café Parliament. We are on Wellington and Metcalf, I think. Well, in front of the Parliament building. Which I will turn it around and give you a view. Very nice. Perfect. Here's the view. Can't go wrong. This is lovely. Well, if you're coming to visit Ottawa, right in front of the Parliament House building is Café Parliament. Come check them out. All right, it's time for the croissant that they have here. It looks great. They even warmed it up. But look at their croissant. Whoa!